Hello viewers, today I'll show you how to make a delicious Hungarian goulash recipe using venison. The recipe is called Venison Goulash and is really simple to make. Here I have 600 grams of diced boneless venison or deer meat, 150 grams of sliced Hungarian paprika sausage, 1 sliced red onion, some sliced red and green peppers, 4 quartered tomatoes and some crushed garlic, 4 potatoes, they need to be peeled and quartered, 2 tablespoons of smoked paprika powder. Heat some olive oil in a cast iron pot and lightly fry the sliced paprika sausage for a minute or so. Then add the onions to the pot and fry them for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add the crushed garlic into the pot as well as the diced venison meat. Fry everything together on high heat for 4 to 5 minutes. Then add the smoked or sweet paprika powder into the pot and fry for another minute. Make sure you stir the pot well. Then it's time to add the chopped tomatoes and peppers into the pot and give everything a good mix. Squash the tomatoes a bit. Then add enough water to cook the meat. Cover and cook on low flame for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, take the lid off and give the pot a stir. Then add the potatoes into the pot. Then add salt according to your taste, as well as 1 to 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika powder. This will add a vibrant color to your dish. Mix it in. Cover and cook for 10 minutes or until the potatoes are done. After 10 minutes, you can see that the potatoes have cooked through and our delicious venison goulash is ready to be plated up. Let's plate up this beautiful Hungarian venison goulash. Serve this delicious venison goulash with some crusty bread or with pasta. This is a deceptively simple yet very flavorful venison recipe. Give it a try and you will be delighted with the result. Hit the subscribe button for more. Enjoy!